Notice, Royal Stanley, you listen to me.
Yes.
Big bold letters that says at the top, receive full credit. The reaction must be written as the first line in the rice chart. You do not have to write the whole thing. You can just do the HA thing, okay? Now, let's talk about number one. I want to mix 20 milliliters of 0.1 molar solution of hydrochloric acid and 15 milliliters of 0.1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. Is this a strong acid, strong base reaction, or a weak acid, strong base reaction?
Strong acid.
Strong acid. Figure out what the excess is, things like that. Now, when you get to number 4, now I've got sodium hydroxide and benzoic acid. Okay? Now it's going to be weak acid, strong base. When you get to number 5, I am going to take you through this step by step by step. Okay? Step by step by step. Some of those, at some point, it's going to be half neutralized. When it's half neutralized, what does your pH equal?
pKa.
pKa. So, if you get to some of these and go, my God, Burkamp, I'm so confused, I will unconfuse you tomorrow. Okay? I will unconfuse you tomorrow. Okay. Stop for the last time, please, Mara.
I'll